Meanwhile, General Cuballes is looking forward to having a professional army. We'll have the full story from Aya Macalma.
The first order of the new commanding general as he assumed raising of his personal flag. This marks the presence of someone who would steer the wheel of the command.
The changing of the military flag only means that there is a new ranking leader in the military service. Lieutenant General Noel Cuballes is named as the new commanding general of the Philippine Army, since Lieutenant General Emmanuel Bautista just assumed a new position last week as the new AFP chief. The new Army chief is a seasoned combat leader and spent 14 years in Mindanao. One of his mandates is to restudy the Combat Standard Operating Procedure or SOPs during military operations to ensure the safety of every soldier, especially those in the front line.
I will take pride to lead the Army that gives primordial importance on each soldier's capabilities through training, force development, both for human resource growth and logistical equipage, the study of combat SOPs and TTPs and rules of engagement, and other means to increase the readiness requirements of our troops.
As the new leader of the Army, he will continue the IPSP Bayanihan program and pursue modernizing the equipments of the soldiers, as well as the soldiers' health.
Sisikapin natin na sa hanay pa lang ng individual ay may kapabilidad na sila na magbigay ng paunang lunas sa mga sugatan. Sisiguruhin natin na ang ating mga sundalong masusugatan ay may mapupuntang Army Hospital na kumpleto ang serbisyong maibibigay. Pag-aaralan natin ang sistema ng serbisyo para sa mga naulila ng mga yumaong sundalo upang mabilis na maibigay ang mga kaukulang benepisyong laan sa kanilang mga pamilya.
With these mandates, Cuballes believes that it will boost the morale of each soldier. The new Army chief wants to regain the trust of each Filipino to our military. That is why Cuballes is urging the entire Army to do their job well and be professional.
Your Army vows a service beyond the call of duty, a service that exudes versatility to enhance our strength to fully bolster our momentum, and a service of wisdom, humility, to learn from our deficiencies. Magagawa po natin ito sa bayanihan, walang imposible. I ask everyone to march with me in unison, for I am certain that with your cooperation and wholehearted dedication to your sworn duty, we have all the reason to succeed.
For the People's Television, Aya Macalma.